Hello everyone. In this video we will present you a learning scenario of the activity Play a Piano and the composition of the entire code. Let's get into the wonderful world of Queen Mary. She invites the player to her palace to listen to some music. In the ballroom, her little dinosaur friend Dino plays the piano. Dino plays a few musical tones, and the players must recognize which tone it is. If they guess right, they get 1 point for the right answer. If they don't know, they get point reduction for the wrong answer. After identifying the tones, a more complex task is set. Dino plays the tune, and the player must recognize which song it is. For the properly identified tune, the player gets 5 points. Students will learn about melodies coding and playing and will improve their previous acquired knowledge about variables, loops, conditional, broadcast, and other events. From the previous activities, students already know how to use variables for counting points, using when I am pressed event, repeat loop, conditional, and broadcast events to change scenery, stage decor, and manage sprites activities. In this activity, students will learn to use variables, conditionals, loops, broadcast events, sounds, and programming music. The expected duration of the activity is 45 minutes. Students can work individually or in pairs. The role of the teacher is to help them and to explain the more complex parts. Now we will see the composition of the entire code. After opening the half-finished project, first we need to get familiar with the sound group of the commands. The first block that we need to use is the set in instrument to block. In the drop-down, we can see multiple options of instruments that could be used to create a note. To create a note, we need to use play note X for Y beats. The first number sets the note, and the second number describes how long the number is to be played. By clicking on the first number, a piano keyboard appears, and a note can be selected from it. This piano keyboard spans 2 octaves. The second number defines the duration of the note and is set by the numbers 1 for the whole note, 0.5 for the half note, and 0.25 for quarter note. By clicking on the piano, we can see the part of the code that describes the jingle bells. If we take a look at the musical notification, we can see the quarter beats, half beats, and the 1 beat. Now I have a task for you. You need to reduce the number of lines in the code that are repeated. For this, you should use the repeat loop command. Describe the game plan in the description sheet, which can be found attached to this project. You can add a condition to the Dino to dance while music is playing. Dino has several costumes in the pre-prepared file. The code for Jingle Bells should look like this. All the required resources can be found here. When solving the task, students can help with the prepared instructions. For more information, visit the project website.